Hi, we're now going over our final tutorial on ingesting documents. So basically the document ingestion process for local and remote files. Document ingestion is how you add new knowledge to the chatbot's database, and I want to quickly just show you how it works. Some of the key files all in the backend directory are so under config, documents.json. We went over this in a previous video, so I'm gonna just skip over that, but this is just like the document catalog. You can go and see backend /data, and this is like local file storage. You can also see backend -scripts, /scripts. And you can see the ingest documents Python scripts. So this is like just the ingestion script. You can look through that. And then finally, we also have under backend services. Let's close these out really quickly. Ingestion, and then also downloader.py. So yeah, those are those files. This is like the ingestion logic. So if you wanted to add a local document or a remote document, you can do so with the previous tutorial. I believe it was tutorial 3, document management. And we go into a little bit more of depth now. But here, from here on out, we want to just go straight into like ingesting the documents. So to do this, first we'd want to make sure that our virtual environment is activated. It is, which is a good sign. And now we want to run Python backend scripts ingest documents.py. So let me just put this in here. And again, I'll put all these commands in the description of the video. It's chugging along. The script basically scans the data directory, downloads remote URLs, ingests everything, and cleans stuff up. Sometimes like there's gonna be errors if there's like duplicates and stuff, because I've already ingested stuff. You can also run this with Docker, but just as some general tips, supported document formats are PDF, docs, TXT, and HTML. You should try to watch these logs for success messages. You can also use descriptive titles and tags to improve retrieval. You should avoid duplicate source URLs and create metadata JSON files alongside scanned PDFs for richer information. But yeah, that's document ingestion.